Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Washington, who is approaching the podium. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Levante Washington.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. As to the probable cause conference, we are respectfully requesting a very brief adjournment. And we do understand that Mr. Washington was asked to be in person today because of the progress report that was sent out. And we are also willing to address that one, wherever the court would like.
Why don't you go ahead and address that?
So as the court is aware, Community Corrections did send out a progress report. Mr. Washington did test positive on both 12/27 and 12/30.
2 positive drug tests in a row. This is a red flag for the court. The defendant is claiming innocence, but the science doesn't lie. The public defender is playing it smart, asking for a delay until lab results confirm the truth. This is a high-stakes gamble. If the tests are accurate, the defendant's credibility is shot.
For cocaine, he did already send out the 12/27 sample to the lab for confirmation. We have not yet received the results from the lab one way or another. He does plan on, after court today, appearing in Community Corrections to have his most recent test sent out for confirmation from the lab. He had planned on doing that today in any event. However, as to the progress report, we're asking the court to hold it in abeyance until we get those lab confirmations back, whether or not that was a positive test. Mr. Washington does deny any use. He is here today with his mother, who I have also had the opportunity to.
Defendant's denial is bold, but his mother's presence in court adds a layer of complexity. The judge isn't just weighing the evidence, she's assessing whether the defendant is being truthful or if there's a pattern of deception. The public defender's strategy? Buy time and hope the lab results tell a different story.
He resides with his mother, and his mother also says she doesn't know him using. Of course, she's not with him all the time. However, Mr. Washington does deny use. That's why he sent it out to the lab. So we're just asking the court to hold this in abeyance until we get that confirmation one way or another.
And then if it comes back positive, what do you think I should do?
I would ask that be addressed at that time.
So you just don't want me to lock him up today?
Certainly not today, Your Honor. Mr. Washington appeared knowing that that was quite frankly a possibility. He's staying on top of this, continued to test even after he did get that positive result, went to Community Corrections and paid the $30 to have that sent out.
You're going to have a test today?
Yes, he's appearing. He is going to go to Community Corrections after court today to have his test from the 30th sent out, and I believe also to be tested again.
Why do I have the feeling I'm not being told the truth? I've got 2 tests back to back with cocaine. So let me ask this question. If I send you over today and I get those results immediately, is anything going to show up in your system?
No, Your Honor.
Pardon?
No, Your Honor. Like I say, I got a lot of stuff going on for myself. This is not the only. This is probably the least case that I'm worried about. I'm on GPS tether. I don't have no reason to run or no reason to not show up and come back to court.
That's all fine. I'm more worried about your use at this point.
Oh no, I don't use.
Judge's skepticism is palpable. 2 back-to-back positive tests for cocaine? That's not a coincidence, it's a pattern. The defendant's claim that he's staying on top of this rings hollow when the tests say otherwise. The judge is about to cut through the excuse.
At all, I'm not trying to pit everything. I don't know. If we can speak privately, then I'll be able to tell you exactly what's going on, but I don't want to pit everybody on Front Street. Courtroom.
So, did you read over that progress report?
Me?
Yeah, because I'm getting a lot of people that are amoebas.
Yes, I did read over the progress.
They're absorbing cocaine. And I'm not sure how that happens. Young lady appears at Community Corrections, said, I smoked it around him. That must be how he's testing positive. You believe that?
That's
You believe, hold on, no. You believe that?
yes, Your Honor.
Really?
That's the truth. I
Council
got too much on the line.
you know, you might want to just be quiet because the thing I don't like a lot are people that aren't telling me the truth.
And there it is, the mother's bombshell. He smoked it around him. This isn't just a drug test issue anymore. It's a credibility crisis. The defendant's denial just collapsed under the weight of his own family's testimony. The judge's patience is wearing thin.
Anything else you want to say?
Nothing.
I'll give him one shot. You want to tell me? I mean, from what I understand, he comes over from another place. He's in our jail, gets out, and is saying he wasn't using. I got 2 tests. I
I understand that, Your Honor. I would just reiterate my request to hold this in abeyance until the lab